So hi everyone. Now in this video we're going to do an interview for my grandma and grandpa. I am Adve. My grandma is
Hello, I am Vasanta.
and my grandpa is.
I am Neelamehan.
So now this is my grandma and grandpa. Now I'm going to be interviewing them in my video about since it is National Old People's Day. So how is it to be old, Party?
How is it? Means that it's. I like it being old because we are very leisurely, not doing work hurry. So I like the being a senior citizen.
What about you?
Say the question again.
How is it to be old?
Really, we are enjoying. I am enjoying. No systematic work need not be done. Leisurely, watch, read, do walking, chit chat with your friends, call your grandchildren and play with them, and whatever the grandchildren like, you buy and cook and give to them, and see the happiness on their face, and the daughter and son-in-laws together. We are enjoying, extremely happy.
So thanks. Now for our next question. What are your special and funny moments when you were a child? Can you
I
answer?
don't
please?
remember at all. Sorry.
Now let's move to
Yes, I remember. Actually,
special and funny moments
Yes.
when you were a child.
special and funny both, I will say. The special is, actually I have born in a village, a remote village, where the education was at that time coming up.
Yeah, that's another question.
No,
so first
actually,
answer
no.
to this.
I refused to go to school. I went into the garden of our own garden. My father, my classmate, at the time I was reading 3rd standard. My classmate, his name is Murugesan. He came searching for me on the instruction of the class teacher. I was inside the small well.
Inside it.
Inside the small well, I was hiding.
Where are you swimming?
Not swimming, sitting. My father took me up, given me the first and last slap to me. That was the funny.
The special?
Special is again.
Funny and special.
Yeah.
Special to continue higher studies. I requested a gold ring. My parents gave me at the age of 70, at the age of 13 or 14. I was having the gold ring. I was having it about 8 years before itself. Then I remodeled it.
So let's go to our next question. Do you prefer being old, a child, or an adult? So, Party, can you say, do you prefer being old, a child, or an adult?
Adult, I like adult. Being ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸோட போகிறது ஜாலியாக அரட்டை அடிக்கிறது அது வந்து ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருந்து. I like adult, being adult.
So, you like being an adult?
Yes.
What about you, Tata?
I extremely prefer to be an adult.
Why?
Because the exposure which we got at this old age, those days we did not have anything. The exposure was very much limited.
But when you were a child,
Child also, the exposure is very much limited.
then why didn't you choose to be a child?
No, child, because the exposure is limited. Even now also, the child in village is different, child in Chennai is different, child in America is different. The exposure is very less as a child, whatever be the condition.
So, you like being an adult?
Like being an adult.
Okay. Do you, now for our next question. What is your favorite food? Party?
ஃபேவரட் ஃபுட்டு
Yeah.
சின்ன குழந்தையா இருக்கும்போது ஐ லைக் ஒன்லி இட்லி சாம்பார். இப்போ
When you're an adult?
வென் யூ அடல்ட் ஐ லைக் அது ஸ்வீட்ஸ். அது இப்போவும்
Yeah,
சீனியர்ஸ் இருந்தாலும் ஸ்வீட்ஸ் பிடிக்கும். வேறு ஒன்று
What about you?
My favorite food is the biryani which my mother-in-law made.
Which biryani?
Mutton biryani which my mother-in-law made. Because those days the exposure to biryani was very much limited again. The biryani was so tasty. My favorite food is mutton biryani.
So, when you're a child, when you are a child, adult, and in the when you are a senior, you like biryani?
I
Mutton
like
biryani.
biryani, but because of the old age,
You can't
we
eat
got to
it.
control.
Yeah,
we got
you
to
need to control the sodium, everything. What's your favorite color, Patti? When you are
young adult, old age, all I like all colors. Not particular இந்த கலர் தான் பிடிக்கும்னு அதுவும் கிடையாது, எல்லா கலருமே பிடிக்கும். வெரி பர்டிகுலரானாக்கா மஸ்டர்ட் ஆர் ஆஃப் ஒயிட், அதான் பர்டிகுலர். சாண்டில் ஆமாம், ஆஃப் ஒயிட்
Sandal.
ஆமாம்.
So okay. So Tata, can you give the answer?
Give the answer for what?
What is your favorite color?
Your question is incomplete. See, child,
In
adult,
your young age.
young
your
age,
young-
I did not know any difference at all on color. Whatever is coming, I used to wear.
Fine. Now what color?
Now
do
I
you
like only white and white.
I thought you like blue.
No, white and white.
White. Okay. What is your favorite movie, Patti? When you were young, when you were a child, and when you are now. What's your favorite movie?
ஃபேவரட் மூவியா? ஐ ஹேவ் டு திங்க். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் யூ ஆஸ்க்
Okay, I'll ask Tata.
நான் யோசனை பண்ணி அதுக்கு சொல்கிறேன். திங்க்.
What's your favorite movie when you were a child, an adult, and when you're a senior like you are right now, Tata?
I would give 3. When I was a child, I did not see any movie, but I saw Tirukuthu, the
You like
village
that?
drama, the dance. I liked it. Where
When you were a child.
when I was a child, when I was a school boy, I liked the cinema Ooty Varavaravu. In that cinema also one song, Happy Indra Mudal Happy, I still
You
remember.
like that song. So
Now-
when you were an adult, I mean, that you were telling from adult
Yes.
that time. Now tell for us how
Now-
you are right now.
Right now I like the cinema Asuran. Extremely nice.
All right.
யா
Now you, Patti?
பீயிங் அடல்ட்
What's your favorite movie?
மூவி எதான் இன்னும் அடல்ட்டாக இருக்கும்போது என்ன மூவி எனக்கு பிடிக்கும் அது ஞாபகம் இல்லை. சிவாஜி படம், ரஜினி படம் ஐ லைக் இட் மோஸ்ட்.
Like
அடல்ட்டாக
Tudato.
இருக்கும். ஆமாம், படிக்காதவன் அந்த படம்லாம் ரொம்ப பிடிச்சது. இங்கே சீனி இது அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து பூவே பூச்சோட ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும், நதியா படம். அது
Okay, now
அது அதுக்கப்புறம் ஒன்றும் ஓன் பர்டிகுலராக பிடிச்ச படம் வந்து ஒன்றும் இல்லை. அதான் மற்றபடி எல்லா படமும் நல்லா ஆல் குட் மூவிஸ் எனக்கு பிடிக்கும்.
okay. So now, what was your Ayurvedic medicine that you will make when you are young?
சூப்பர் கொஸ்டின்ஸ்லாம் எங்கேருந்து எடுக்கிற? சூப்பராக இருக்குது. எப்படி செலக்ட் பண்ண?
All right. Okay. Can you answer?
வாட் ஆயுர்வேதிக் மெடிசனா?
Yeah. What Ayurvedic medicines you will make when you are young?
ஆயுர்வேதிக் மெடிசனே நான் எங்கள் வீட்டில் இருந்தில்ல, எங்கள் அப்பாவும் அந்த மாதிரி அதை எடுத்ததே இல்லை. அதனால் எனக்கும் அதை பற்றி ஒன்றுமே தெரியாது. இப்போவும் ஐ டோன்ட் நோ எனிதிங் ஆயுர்வேதிக் மெடிசன்.
Only Tata knows.
ஒன்லி தாதா நோஸ்.
So can you tell? You can also think.
நோ
No, not all.
2 Ayurvedic medicine I fully remember. Number 1, those days they used to give for they will instigate diarrhea, not natural diarrhea. You must have a free stomach clearance. They will give, what is that, velakannai, castor oil. They will give castor oil. Once I took the castor oil, I suffered a lot. That is one stomach cleaning. Next thing, for some poisonous biting, in the Muslim dargah, I took betel leaf and the pepper. 3 days in the morning, my anni took me there.
So
So the
No.
betel nut and the pepper.
so now so if you're poisoned.
Yes,
you'll
poison
eat
means
that.
one bite.
Snake bite.
Insect bite or snake bite or rat bite, I don't know.
Scorpion, everything.
Yes.
1 செகண்ட், நான் அதுவும் சொல்கிறேன். நான் எனக்கும் எங்களுக்கும் எங்கள் அப்பா வந்து பீயிங் இன் சைல்ட்ஹுட் டேஸை எங்கள் எல்லாருக்கும் 4 sisters and 1 brother எல்லாருக்குமே இது கொடுத்துரு, அதாவது castor oil ஃபார் இது. அது தட் இஸ் தி ஒன்லி ஆயுர்வேத ஐ டுக் ஆயுர்வேதிக் மெடிசன் ஃபார் கிளீனிங் தி யுவர் ஸ்டமக். That is the only Ayurvedic medicine in that
Castor oil.
yeah, in that schooling period.
Okay. So now our next question. How much mark? Yes. How much marks did you get on all subjects when you were in 10th to 12th grade?
No, I don't remember.
You don't remember any? You,
I
Tata?
remember very well.
And tell me what question you did wrong, everything. In
Okay.
10th to 12th grade.
Okay, see, when we were studying, there was no 12th, only 11th. Actually, I scored school first mark.
In the whole class.
In the whole school government examination, board examination, school first mark.
Okay.
Those days, we did not know the difference, which subject will make us doctor, which subject will make us engineer, we did not know at all. Because I told you, I came from village. One social teacher, that teacher only influenced me because I used to do mathematics very fast and quickly. You will become an engineer, you will become an engineer. That resisted my mind. But I am not happy with engineering. I would have been more happy had I become a doctor.
Okay, so did you do it? So you finished all your marks in math and all the subjects. You
Yes.
finished first. That's very good. You should have studied well.
It came on its own, not studied well, because I stayed in a hostel. There is a proper study time, 2 hours every day in the evening, 1 hour every day in the morning. There is a systematic. I stayed in a hostel. The warden will be there. They will be monitoring us whether we are studying or not, reading or not.
Okay. So now our next question. What time do you sleep when you are young, Party? Can you tell?
What time?
Yeah, what time when you sleep? Like now you guys will sleep at 10, 11.
Young age வந்து
Young age, what time?
you ask your தாத்தா first. எனக்கு அது ஞாபகம் இல்லை. அது ஞாபகம் இல்லை.
As I told you, I was reading in a boarding hostel. Right from my 6th standard to 11th standard. Compulsorily, the light will be switched off. We all must go to bed by 9:30 p.m. and get up by 5 o'clock.
Okay. So now, you what time will you sleep?
Sleep
At
in joint we are all I don't remember, but between 8 to 8:30 we will sleep. Morning 6 o'clock எல்லாரும் எழுந்துக்கும் காலையில் எங்கள்
That's
அம்மா
actually
எழுப்பிடுவாங்க.
very early.
எஸ் அப்போ எழுந்து நாங்கள் காலையில் எழுந்து வேலை செய்யணும். நாங்கள் எல்லாருக்கும் வேலை சரியாக இருக்கும். நாங்கள் சிஸ்டர்ஸ் எல்லாருக்கும் ஒவ்வொரு ஆளுக்கு ஒரு டியூட்டி இருக்கும். காலையில் 6 o'clock எழுந்துருச்சோம்மா. அதை விட்டு இப்போ நெக்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின்.
So now, what was your hobby when you were a child? Tata?
When you are a child, actually, child means up to what age?
Up to like before a teenager. Up to 12.
Okay. Then actually,
That's
since I was I told you, I was separated from my parents from the village, not parents, from the village to a nearby town for study purposes when I was 7 years old.
7.
7 years. At that time, my brother was studying in college, my eldest brother. My own great grandmother used to cook for us and take care of. Therefore,
Yes, but I'm not asking what all things that will happen in your day-to-day life.
Okay.
I'm asking what will you do when you're bored or when you're free. That's what hobby means.
playing with the friends only in the evening.
What difference are there when you were young and now how you are now? Is there any difference?
Yes. Those days I used to eat a lot. I am nowadays eating very, very less.
Okay, can you say 2 more facts? 2 more things about you?
This on eating, then
Now you can't run and play, but in the child you can when you're children.
child we were actually okay. Next I will, in the next question I will join those things you come.
Yeah, after I tell to pass.
Yes.
Okay, what about you?
What question?
What differences are there since when you are young, when you're a child, and how you are now when you're old?
சைல்டுக்கும் எங்களுக்கும் ஒன்றும் அப்போ வந்து அப்படியே நெக்ஸ்ட் எஜுகேஷன் ஸ்கூல் அப்படி வந்து
You'll be
ஒன்றும் இது இல்லை
thinking
அது
about that.
திங்கிங் அப்படி அது
But now
ஒன்றும்
you
இல்லை
don't have to.
இப்போ அதனால வந்து கொஞ்சம் ரிலாக்ஸாக இருக்கேன். ஐ எம் மோர் என்ஜாயிங் திஸ். வெளியே போகிறது அவுட்டிங்.
That's why I like to be an adult.
எஸ்,
Okay.
கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர்.
Now, did you find out anything more?
Question is not clear.
Okay. So now let's continue to our next. What games did you play when you were young? What was your favorite game? So, Parthi, can you tell me what games did you play when you were a child?
நாங்கள் சைல்டு நாங்கள் தனியாக வி ஒன்ட் கோ அவுட் சைடு இண்டிபெண்ட். நாங்கள் வீட்டிலே நாங்கள் 4-5 பேர் இருக்கிறதால நாங்கள் டென்னிக் ஆகிட்டோம்னு சொல்லிட்டு இந்த பால் வச்சு நாங்கள் ஒவ்வொருத்தர் எங்களுக்குள்ளே விளையாடிக்குவோம். உங்கள் ஸ்கூல்லலாம் விளையாட கேம்ஸ் பீரியடும் ஒன்றும் கிடையாது.
Duck Goose.
இன்னும் அந்த டென்னிகாய்டுன்னு ஒரு ரிங்கு மாதிரி இருக்கும், அதை போட்டு விளையாடிட்டு இருப்போம். அது தட் இஸ் ஒன்லி கேம் வி ஹவ் பிளேடு இன் யங் ஏஜ். அதுக்கப்புறம் ஒன்றுமே காலேஜ்லலாம் ஒன்றுமே பிளேயிங்கே கிடையாது. அது ஸ்கூல்.
So that's your favorite game.
எஸ்.
What about you, Tata? What games will you play when you were old? I mean, when you were a child.
When you are a child, young, there is one game called Pachakudrai. That is, a boy will kneel down and touch his feet. We have to jump over him. That and kabaddi, only these two. And sometimes kittipuli.
What's a
That is
Cricket.
with a stick, gilli. It is called gilli. With a stick, you have to strike the small stick. It will jump some place. Before that man catch that, you must run. The game is like that.
So you need to throw it.
And Pambaram. These are all village games we played. I played.
Okay, so what is your...
ஒன் செகண்ட், ஐ வில் ஆல்சோ ஆன்சர். நாங்கள் வந்து சின்ன இதில் வந்து பல்லாங்குழி ரொம்ப ஆடுவோம். அது கூட எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். பல்லாங்குழி, அப்புறம் அந்த ஸ்டோன் வச்சு இப்படி போட்டு விளையாடுவோம். அதெல்லாம் ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும்.
So what your favorite game is Palanguri?
பல்லாங்குழி.
What about your favorite game, Tata?
Which age?
When you're young.
Young.
When you're a child.
Child, yes.
From 1 to 12.
Yes. We were sitting, we used to sit on a thinnai. It is called
Circle.
We 4 people, we used to play இந்த புளியாங்கொட்டையில் வச்சுக்கிட்டு இந்த காய் ஆடுறது, தூக்கி போட்டு பிடிக்கிறது.
With a ball.
No, it's the புளியாங்கொட்டை. The nut of tamarind.
Okay,
Seed
so
of a
that
tamarind.
you need to throw it
Yes,
and catch
there is
it.
a different game. The 4 people used to play.
So that's your
Then-
favorite?
Yes, that is the majority time we used to play that. We enjoyed those days very much, yeah.
Yeah, we enjoyed. Okay, so now let's go to our next question. Oh, where did you grow up?
Where did you grow up means in how?
Where, like, where in Velachery and where, like in a village, in a city?
சிட்டி ஒன்லி. எங்கள் முதல்ல நாங்கள் பிறந்தது வந்து பயங்கர சிட்டியில் இன்னொரு இடத்துல.
In Krompet?
ஃபஸ்ட்டு வந்து பிறந்தது வந்து இதை கொண்டித்தோப்புன்னு ஒரு எஸ்பிளேட் அந்த பக்கம் இருக்கும். அந்த நார்த் மெட்ராஸில் இருந்தோம். அதுக்கப்புறம் ஆஃப்டர் 6 or 7 years எங்கள் ஃபாதர் அப்போ நாங்கள் ஃபேமிலி இப்படியே ஷிஃப்ட் ஆகிட்டோம் குரோம்பேட்டில் வி வர் தேர் அப் டு நான் மேரேஜ் ஆகிற வரைக்கும் அங்கே தான் இருந்தேன். அப் டு மை ஏஜ் 25 years. ஐ காட் மேரிட் ஆன் 26. அப்போ அது வரைக்கும் அங்கே தான் இருந்தேன். ஆஃப்டர் தட் ஷிஃப்ட் டு வெஸ்ட் மாம்பலம், தென் டி நகர் டு வேளச்சேரி.
Okay, so that means that so you grew up in a city.
Yes.
What about
100% city? I grew up in 100%
very good city.
Born in city, grow in city, brought up in city, and city girl.
Yeah, so when did you, Tata, can you tell where did you grow up?
I grew up in the small town called Chidambaram. It's a holy place actually. It's a religious place, Chidambaram. I studied in Chidambaram up to my 11th standard, even my PUC. I studied in Chidambaram, grew up in Chidambaram.
Did you like it?
I still like it, but that cannot come back. Every day, as I told you, no, as soon as we get up by 5 o'clock, 5 to 6 you have to read. The warden will be there, all those things. 6 o'clock we all will go to the river. There is a river nearby, we will walk about 1 kilometer. We all will go and swim in the river. All students will jump, swim, then from there walk, come and eat. They're really nice, up to 11th standard.
Okay, what about you? Did you like it? You like living,
Yes.
like the place where you're born?
Yes.
Okay. Our last question. But if I have more questions, I can ask those too. Did you have TV in your time? Did you have TV?
No, in my schooling days and college, no TV at all. TV was established in only 75 or 74 தான் அப்போலாம் கிடையாது.
So that means Tata also
Yes,
hadn't.
same. Only in 76, 77.
Then you
first
saw
time.
black and white.
Black and white.
You too.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
அப்போ இந்த டேஸ் நாங்கள் வந்து என்ன பண்ணுவோம், ஒரு ரேடியோ மர்ஃபி ரேடியோ இருக்கும். எங்கள் அப்பா வந்து யூஸ்டு ஒரு பெரிய மர்ஃபி ரேடியோ வச்சுருப்பார். அதில் த்ரூ அவுட் எல்லா அந்த ரேடியோவில் பாட்டு சிலோன் ரேடியோ. சிலோனுன்ட்டு இப்போ நவ் இட் இஸ் கால்ட் ஸ்ரீலங்கா. அப்போ வந்து சிலோன் கூப்பிடுவாங்க. அந்த சிலோன்லேருந்து நல்ல தமிழ் பாட்டு, அப்படி எல்லா பாட்டும், இந்த சிவாஜி பாட்டு, இந்த பழைய காலத்து பாட்டெல்லாம் வரும்.
They'll sing it in the TV.
ஆமாம், இது நாட் டிவி, ரேடியோ மீன்ஸ் இப்போ வந்து நீங்கள் இது யூடியூப்பில் பாட்டு வருது, அது மாதிரி ரேடியோவில் அந்த நாப் மாதிரி திருவினா ஒவ்வொரு ஸ்டேஷனில் இருக்கும். அந்த அந்த ஸ்டேஷன் அதுலேருந்து நமக்கு வரும். அது டிவி ரேடியோ பாட்டு தான் கேட்போம் நாங்கள்.
So that's what entertains you.
ஆமாம், தட்ஸ் வாட். அது ஒன்லி
What about you? But for TV,
TV.
You don't like a specific channel that entertains you on TV?
இல்லை, அப்போ டிவியே இல்லையா? அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் டிவி வந்தப்புறம் வந்து ஆஃப்டர் வென் டிவி கம்ஸ் வந்து ஒன்லி இது பொதிகை டிவி ஒன்லி அலோடு.
Black and white.
ஆமாம், பொதிகை டிவி ஒன்லி கம்ஸ் இந்த டிவி. அது அதில் வந்து ஒளியும் மொழியும் மட்டும் தான் நாங்கள் பார்ப்போம். அப்புறம் கிரிக்கெட் மேட்ச்சு, எல்லா மேட்சும் வரும்.
Yeah, those are the things that entertain you. Okay. So now, Tata, can you tell?
என்ன I would recollect. Tell me, what is it?
How did you entertain yourself when you were young with TV? How did you entertain yourself when you were young?
See, there are 3 stages: child stage, school stage, college days.
Child stage.
I was lucky. I was having 2 grandmothers, very very old grandmother. But those days, no radio, not even electricity. Up to my age of 10, there is chimney, kerosene steam. The party, we used to sit around her. She will tell some stories. Some story when she was young and how she was brought up and what are the work she was doing and how she cooked. All those things, we all will sit together, 3 or 4 or 5. She will just listen and enjoy. We did not know anything, just listen.
Okay.
That is. Then after coming to school days, we friends used to sit and what happened in the class or the fight or what his mother brought from the house and given to them to eat. Then sleep, school. College days, as soon as the class is over, all will go to our civil lungi and go walk up to 8 o'clock, return there, discuss and eat and enjoy.
Okay, so that what entertains you. But in TV, what channel entertains you?
TV only, now only we are enjoying. Those days TV was very much limited and TV was almost prohibited because it will divert the youngsters. Don't watch TV too much. Don't listen radio too much. It will divert your thinking. Therefore, it will divert attention.
So now, what entertains you? How was life different before? And how is it now? When you were young, how was life different, Tata? And now, how when you're a senior, was it different in any way?
The thinking itself is totally changed. Now. Like
Give an example, like for something.
Whatever we like, we are buying now. Those days, when we want to buy, we think, I used to think multiple times and sometimes stop buying also. Now, whatever we want, whatever I like, whatever
because
we like.
you're old, you have the freedom to do everything.
Not only freedom, we are having enough money also. Those days, not enough money.
Okay. So, Party, can you not tell?
Yes. The same answer because in those days we have restrictions to buy so many items. So because of அந்த இதால் என்ன சொல்கிறது, நாட் எனஃப் பணம் இல்லாதனால நிறைய ரெஸ்ட்ரிக்ஷன் இருந்தது. வாங்கக்கூடாது, உங்களை ரொம்ப இது ஸ்ட்ரிக்டாக தான் இருந்தோம் நாங்கள்.
Now you have.
ஆமாம், இப்போ வந்து finished our commitments and all that. We are enjoy.
Yes.
So இப்போ என்ஜாய் பண்ணி எல்லாம் வாங்க. Yes.
Okay. So now our next question.
When we will ask questions for உங்களுக்கு.
You can ask after we finish.
ஓஹோ.
Or you can ask whenever you want to. You
இதே
can ask-
சேம் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் கேட்கலாமா உங்களை?
Yes, you can. Okay. Yes, you
Same
can.
question எழுதி வச்சது.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can read from there. Okay.
ஓகே ஓகே.
What do you miss about your young age, Tata? What do you miss about young age? Positive things about your young age that is not here now. What do you miss? What you like but it's not there now of your young age?
Definitely you are thinking this question very good. நல்ல கொஸ்டின் தான், பட் நீ திங்க் பண்ண.
என்ன வாட் இஸ் த கொஸ்டின்? வாட் ஐ எம் மிஸ்ஸிங்?
ஆமா.
Yeah, what do you miss about the young age?
யங் ஏஜ்ல என்ன மிஸ் பண்ணீங்கன்னு கேக்குறான்.
The child, when you are a child.
I did not play a lot. I have not at all played.
You told all the games you played.
These are all only inside home. Outside homes, like a
Park, no
you know,
park.
people are playing so many games are there, you know.
Playground, yeah.
Playground was in the school very big playground, but restrictions after 6 o'clock you have to return back, all those things, and not exposed to various sports also. Therefore I missed a lot of sports
Okay.
because lack of knowledge, lack of exposure.
Okay, so you missed all the sports you
Yes,
played and
yes.
games. What about you?
அது யங் ஏஜில் வந்து ரொம்ப ஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் வீட்டில். அது ஸ்கூல் முடிஞ்ச நேராக வந்துடணும், வீட்டுக்கு வந்துடணும், படிக்கணும், உடனே அம்மாவுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணணும். மை மதர் வாஸ் ஒர்க்கிங் டீச்சர் இன் ஸ்கூல். ஸோ அவங்களுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணணும். அவங்களும் லேட்டாக வருவாங்க, அவங்களுக்கு நான் வேலை செய்யணும். அதனால் ஒரே இதுவாகவே இருக்கும்.
So you miss
நான் நார்மலாக அந்த பசங்க ஜாலியாக ஓடி விளையாடுறதெல்லாம் அப்போயே நான் நாட் ஒன்லி மீ,
So you
மை
like
சிஸ்டர் ஆல்சோ. எஸ்,
so you miss playing with your friends.
ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் அண்ட்
Okay. Now we'll go to the last question and then you can ask.
Okay.
Our final question. What stories do you remember when you were a child?
வாட் ஸ்டோரினா இது
Stories like normal stories.
நார்மல் ஸ்டோரிஸா?
Can you tell some of the stories?
யூஸ்வலாக ஸ்டோரிஸும் கிடையாது. மை ஃபாதர் யூஸ் டு டெல் ஸ்மால் இன்சிடென்ட்ஸ். வென் ஃபாதர் வந்து செகண்ட் வேர்ல்டு வார்க்கு அப்புறம் இதுவாக இருந்தார். ஸோ அவர் வந்து இன்சிடென்ட் ஸ்மால் இன்சிடென்ட் செகண்ட் வேர்ல்டு வாரில் என்ன நடந்தது, ஜப்பானில் எப்படி குண்டு அங்கே நடந்தது, அது நம்ம எம்டன் குண்டுன்னு சொல்லிட்டு அப்போ ஃபஸ்ட்டு நம்ம மெட்ராஸில் சென்னையில் வந்து அப்போ போட்டாங்க குண்டு.
So when you were a child.
ஆமாம், சைல்டு. அது வந்து நாங்கள் யூஸ்வலாக கேட்போம். எங்களுக்கெலாம் எங்கள் அப்பா சொல்லுவார் இந்த மாதிரி. தட் இஸ் ஒன்லி ஸ்டோரி வி ஹர்ட். அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் காலேஜ் போயிட்ட அப்புறம் ஸ்டோரிஸ் அப்போல்லாம் படிக்கல. இப்போ ஸ்டோரிஸ் ஆரம்பிச்சது ஆஃப்டர் ரிட்டையர்மெண்ட் ஒன்லி ரெட் ஸ்டோரிஸ்.
Okay. What would you, Tata?
Say again, what is the question? The question is different.
What stories do you remember? What stories do you remember from the young age that your father or mother will tell you?
Actually,
What
my
stories?
father
Or reading
narrated
books.
his own life. Still, I remember, and
So you can tell parts of it.
yes,
Important.
important. He went to Malaysia and worked there, and he sent money to his parents. Some parents did not properly manage it. Therefore, he quitted the job and came over here. He was working and he was coming up his own, but he never looked back. Always hard work, always bold enough. He never take a tea from his friends, or he never give tea to his friends. He was independent totally.
Was totally independent.
Yes, and those days, as told, because money, when he gets some rupees, 5 rupees or 10 rupees, 100 rupees, that money won't be spent at all till his
Till he needs it.
till his planned amount is accumulated, and accordingly he progressed.
So he has a saving account.
Saving account, and though he was a pauper at the time of his death, he was a very big rich man, Mirasdar, and he gave property to everybody, helped everybody. He became very rich.
So he is very rich.
Very rich because of his own self-planning, self-work.
And his
That
yoga.
habit I have inherited.
Okay. So now, do you want to ask any questions for me? Now, who would want to answer first? You or Tata?
Want to ask questions?
Yeah, to me.
ஏதாவது ஒரு
me.
கொஸ்டின்
Yes.
ஒரு
One
கொஸ்டின்
question.
Only one question I
Yeah.
கேளுங்க.
நீ கேளுங்க நான் கேட்குறேன்.
Okay, you first tell. You can see in this book some questions I asked. You hold this mic. Okay.
ஒன்லி ஒன் கொஸ்டினா? எது உனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும் உனக்கு? அதாவது நாட் ஃபுட்டு. உனக்கு விளையாட பிடிக்குமா, படிக்க பிடிக்குமா, ஸ்டோரி பிடிக்குமா, அப்புறம் வந்து உனக்கு ஸ்கூல் இங்கே பிடிக்குமா, அங்கே அமெரிக்கா பிடிக்குமா, இந்தியாவில் இருக்கவங்க பிடிக்குமா?
I like school in both. I like school in both places, in India and in America.
நோ யூ ஷுட் சே ஒன். அப்படி
I like both. Here I hadn't attended normal classes. I only attended virtual classes.
Now you ask that.
And for all the other questions you asked, for all of them also, I liked all of them. Other the school, playing.
எங்கே உனக்கு ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் நிறைய பேர் இருக்காங்க, இங்கேயா அங்கேயா?
There I had 3 friends, but here I have more friends here. Would you like to ask a question?
Yes. Only one question. But that further we will continue later.
In our next channel.
Next channel.
So,
You see, you having a lot of multi-talented.
okay.
You picked up the talent for reading and remembering and
Piano.
conversation, multifaceted interest.
Yes, that's
How you are retaining that interest?
how do I get it?
Okay, that is enough. How you got it?
I just like doing all of these things, reading books, everything. So I just like doing all of these things. So when I do more, I just get better at it.
Which book you still remember? You again and again reading.
I again and again.
ரொம்ப பிடிச்சது புக் உனக்கு என்ன?
I again and again will read Geronimo Stilton, one of the Kingdom of
Geronimo's நிறைய வெரைட்டி இருக்கு அதுல.
Yeah, adula one book called The Enchanted Charms. In that, I actually have read it 3-4 times.
the same book.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, retain that quality and grow further, develop further. All the best.
Yes. And for
Thank
our
you so much for interviewing us.
Ask
Good questions.
You ask some question to your mummy now.
yes, so in our next channel, you can see our other interviews of my mother, father, and other interviews that my
Artha Tata
grandma
Paati.
and grandpa can ask me.
Okay.
And
So bye. So this is my brother here, Vinay, and he would like to talk about his
I will say about him.
experience.
He is my first grandson. His name is Advai. He is my second grandson. His name is Vinay.
Yeah.
His second grandson, his name is Advai. And okay, now you can
And
ask
it's
anything.
strange that my older cousin brother is acting like a baby now. So now,
I should ask you?
yeah, you should ask. Hold the mic.
Ask
You can
me,
ask me.
Paati, Perima, Sitti, எல்லாரும்
Yeah, everyone you can ask.
I came here for sambar.
Okay, man.
Okay, so now you can tell.
What should I say?
Ask me questions for an interview.
What is your name?
Adbe.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is dark blue and golden.
What is
Like
your favorite t-shirt?
T-shirt. Like Minecraft T-shirts and everything.
What is your favorite video game?
I like Minecraft.
Very nice. What is your favorite food?
My food, I like potatoes, French fries.
Who do you like more, Paati or Tata?
How can I tell?
You say.
There are 2 eyes, remember. One eye, how can I decide which one do I like? One eye or the second eye?
What is your favorite restaurant?
My restaurant, I like Patizas. So now, what is your name?
Vinay.
What's your favorite color?
Black.
What is your favorite food?
Pizza.
What is your favorite? What else did you ask? What's your favorite restaurant?
Chilies.
All of us. Now, who do you like most? Party or Tata?
Myself.
I'm telling a question between Tata and Party. So, tell. Please, man. Can you?
I have 2 eyes. I cannot decide.
Yeah. What about for your mother and father?
I have 2 ears. I cannot
Okay.
decide on that.
All right. So now let's continue to our normal people again.
Normal people.